In this video, I'll show you how to contact eBay customer service and speak directly with a support agent using the most reliable and current method available. Many people find eBay's support system confusing, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each step in a simple and easy way. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to navigate eBay's help system and get the assistance you need without frustration. First, you'll need to log into your eBay account. This step is very important because most customer support options are only available to logged-in users. Open your browser, go to the eBay website, and sign in using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, look at the top of the eBay homepage and click on Help and Contact. This will take you to eBay's Support Center, where you'll find different help options designed to address various issues. Next, scroll down the page until you see Contact Us. Click on it to access eBay's customer service options. You'll then be asked to choose a topic related to your issue, such as buying, returns, account problems, or another category. Selecting the correct topic is important because it helps eBay connect you with the right type of support. After choosing a topic, eBay will show you several ways to get help. Some issues can be solved using automated answers or help articles. However, if you want to speak directly with a customer service agent, look for the option that says Chat with Us or Have Us Call You. If you prefer talking to someone on the phone, select Have Us Call You. You'll be asked to enter your phone number, so make sure it's correct. After submitting it, eBay will usually call you within a few minutes. Keep your phone nearby and be ready to explain your issue clearly once the call connects. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily reach eBay customer service and get direct help with your problem. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helped you understand how to contact eBay customer support quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might need help as well. See you in the next video.